How to fix a OPPO A5m not detected headphones issue. Fix 1. Verify headphones and disable Bluetooth. Step 1. Plug your headphones into another device, e.g., another phone, laptop, to confirm they work. Step 2. Try a different pair of wired headphones on your OPPO A5m to rule out compatibility issues. Step 3. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off, or unpair any audio devices, since active Bluetooth can override the headphone jack. Fix 2. Clean the headphone jack. Step 1. Power off your OPPO A5m completely. Step 2. Use compressed air or gently blow into the jack to remove dust and lint. Step 3. With a soft bristle brush or a lightly alcohol-dampened cotton swab, gently clean around the inside of the jack. Insert slowly, rotate, and remove carefully. Fix 3. Check audio settings and volume. Step 1. Press the volume up button to ensure media volume isn't muted or set extremely low. Step 2. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, or Media Volume, and confirm volume levels are set properly. Fix 4. Restart the device. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Select Restart. Step 3. Once the phone reboots, plug in your headphones again and test.